When you run a business, payments are extremely important and you need a partner who can take care of it completely. Thankfully, Razorpay has done that for us and has let me focus on doing what I do best, run my business. Thank you, Razorpay. It was tough to see farmers working hard to sow the seeds, nurture the crops for months together, harvest it, and then not being able to sell the produce to consumers directly. And in turn, consumers were unable to get organic produce straight from the farmers. I was driven by a strong desire to do something meaningful for our farmers and consumers. That's what led to the idea of Farmizon. I never intended to use farm to fork as a buzzword. I truly wanted to transform lives by creating a robust supply chain that revolutionized the concept. So, we conceived a comprehensive end-to-end model. Right from sourcing organic produce to handling logistics and reducing last-mile delivery costs, to finally delivering it to consumers. What followed was a phase of rapid growth. We started adding more customers and we aimed to expand to even more communities and newer cities. But we were losing potential revenue due to the shortcomings and payment failures in our existing payment system. Our teams were hassled too. I knew that to take Farmizon to the next level, our payment system had to be upgraded in a big way. I was looking for a reliable payment system that would stem the payment failures. And then, someone in my startup ecosystem suggested Razorpay. Like I always do with any new suggestion, I researched. And I got to know that Razorpay had very few payment failures and a high success rate. When I explored further, I discovered that some of the best-in-class websites use Razorpay's payment gateway. I eventually decided to opt for it. And I must say this, Razorpay took care of my payment needs completely and gave me the freedom to focus on my business. There were a lot of things I liked about Razorpay. Any new feature that Razorpay launched was developer-friendly and could be integrated into my website on the same day. It was a big plus for someone like me who had a small team. As I kept expanding, I realized Razorpay had different products to take care of all my payment needs. For example, we used their payment pages to help us with prototyping. It enabled us to launch collective buying, a feature pivotal to our business, using which people can form groups and buy products. It ensures smooth bulk orders and saves us on delivery costs. Then there is instant settlement. This really is such a helpful product for a bootstrap business like ours, as it assists us during any kind of working capital crunch. It also helped my consumers because Razorpay had multiple convenient payment options like Simple and Pay Later, and our overall transactions increased. And of course, with CredPay, we get to enjoy the benefits of Cred's loyalty program. It's also given us immense visibility and access to new high-quality customers, while leading to increased spends from our existing customers. And guess what? Integrating with Razorpay is so simple and seamless that we did it ourselves. There were a lot of ways to integrate payments and it took us less than a day to go live. I can tell you this, Razorpay has hugely helped us in our quest to transform lives of farmers and consumers. It has checked all the boxes we were looking to fill, and on a personal note, helped me achieve my founder goals.